Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change ink cartridges in an Epson XP-412. Now, unlike other Epson printers, you can't simply replace it by lifting up the lid of the printer and changing the cartridge when the carriage slides along. So what we need to do is use the arrow keys on the very front of the printer here till we get to setup and press OK. Now we need to go into maintenance, which is the second option down, and all the way down to ink cartridge replacement, which hopefully you can read on screen there. So press OK. Your printer will start up and we need to open the lid of the machine, so I'll do that now. Okay, now after you've given it that prompt, the cradle will have moved across here, leaving all of the cartridges accessible. If you have any doubts as to which colour you need, it's got a little indicator at the top there. You just pop them in and out as you see fit. Okay, and that's about all there is to it. The only other thing to bear in mind is once the cartridges have been replaced, you need to press this button on the right here as indicated on the screen, just to let the printer know you have changed the cartridges. With that done, it'll just make sure it's happy with them all, hopefully accept them, and leave you to carry on printing. From here, just close your lid, and away you go. If there is anything else you want to know, do let us know in the comments down below. If you found this useful, please do give us a like. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.